let us log in to this application. And enter the firm details. So enter a firm name. Then the firm address. Then the country, and enter other details. Now, we can set up a branch detail. Again, select Add New button, and set it as A1 branch. Enter the branch address and country. And save it. So, we have successfully set up our firm details. Now, let's set up the tasks that are specific to our office. Let's add a task name, such as GST preparation. Checkmark this as a due date category. Select if it is chargeable or non-chargeable. The task is now added to task codes. Now let's see, what are master entries? So for example, we have client type, industry type, etc. In master entries, we can have as many categories of information as possible regarding the client. So, let's add an industry type. So we can see the added industry type. And similarly we can add other entries. Let's define user groups. So here we can add or edit new user groups. For example, let's edit a group named System Admin. Or we can add new groups, such as Accountant. And we have added a new group. Now, let's set up the job types. Let's add a new job type, say marketing. Now, we can have a description for this job type. Let's add the WIPfocus users. Open the user details. There is already an administrator account here. Let's create other users. So give the username, last name, then the password for the user, and select the user group. Specify the job type, and save it. Similarly, other users can be added. Let's set up task checklist. So here is the task checklist. Select the task, and add the task. The task added is GST preparation. We can manually enter the checklist for this task. Once we have created the checklist, save it and it will be globally available.